My name is Nur Syaira Rahman. I'm from class Tera 1A and my matrix number is DT22323.
My name is Nur Syaira from Therapeutic 1A. My matrix number is DT22330.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Abdul Kadir Jailani. My number matric is DT12024.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is NurMalyanah Izzati binti Rosdi. My number matric is DT22325.
In this assignment, we had given two problems to solve by using our knowledge and mathematics skills. For the first problem, we as a contractor need to build a house with the best design following the requirement within the budget. We also need to calculate the area of the house, which is divided into 9 parts. Each part will be calculated widely to find out the total budget used. The budget given is 250,000 ringgit. For the second problem, we need to choose one situation in real life which use the application of circular measure. Throughout the years, there have been various applications of circular measure in daily life. The situation we chose is we are responsible for maintaining the Ferris wheel in an amusement park. To determine the surface area of one gondola, the gondola is shaped like a sector of a circle and we want to calculate the surface area.
For problem 1, we were given a task as a house contractor need to build a house with given requirement 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 kitchen, 1 dining room, 1 family space and 1 hall. The building cost is 100 ringgit per square feet and our client budget is 250,000 ringgit. First of all, we need to draw a house plan that include all the requirement, and then we need to calculate the surface area. We using what multiplied by the length to calculate the area. For the kitchen area, we got 259 feet square. For the dining room, we got 496 feet per square. For the second bedroom, we got 8 feet per square. For the first bedroom, we got 100 and For the first bedroom, we got 120 feet per square. For the main bedroom, we got 360 feet per square. For the first bathroom, we got 8 feet per square. For the hall, we got 240 feet per square. For the family space, we got 320 feet per square. For the second bedroom, we got 240 feet per square. The total area for this house is 3,356 feet per square.
The total cost is 235,600 ringgit. The balance is 40,400 ringgit. We can provide house plan that are 2,496 feet. We are not able to provide a plan with the wide as request by the client because the resulting design is not attractive. The budget provided by the client will remain as much as for 14,400 ringgit. In total, our group managed to draw a plan with the total area of the house being 1,496 square feet. The total budget used is 40,400 ringgit. We did not succeed in producing a design with an area 2,500 square feet because there are some things we need to consider, such as the design that will be produced does not attract the attention of client. Because of that, we had to reduce the area a little because if we provide a design that more than what the client requests, it will force the client to provide more budget. But we managed to produce a plan that has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 dining room, 1 family space, and 1 hall.
Okay, my part is I will explain about problem 2, the whole problem 2. Okay, first thing, the problem statement. In a fun fair, there is one Ferris wheel that has a surface area of the Ferris wheel gondola is approximately 26.18 square meter. With such a wide feet can result in a Ferris wheel swaying unsafe for wanderer to ride. Therefore, we as installation engineer are responsible for solving this problem. If you can see illustration at my background, where we have a original Ferris wheel and after being modified. Okay, back to the original form. If you can see, the angle from the theta to the surface, the angle is 30 degrees, and the radius is from the theta to the surface is 10 meters, which is when we calculate using the surface area formula, where theta divide 360 multiply pi multiply radius square, we can get the result is 26.18 meter square root square meter, which is this result is so small or so unstable for the Ferris wheel for work. That's why we plus the angle from the 30 degrees to the 60 degrees, from the 30 degrees to the 60 degrees, which is more wide for the Ferris wheel work. You can see at my background the illustration after being modified, where the theta divide 360 multiply pi multiply r square, which is 60 divide 36 360 multiply pi multiply 10 square. The answer we can get is 52.36 meter square. After we do this calculation, we can conclude after renovation work was done, we increased the number of theta for the central angle of the sector in degrees. The number increase range from 3 degrees to 60 degrees to improve the balance on the Ferris wheel. Okay. Finally, we found that the Ferris wheel we produce can rotate smoothly without any worries. This is said because the surface area has increased from 26.1 square meter to 52.36 square meter, and the problem is slope.
After completing this assignment, we are able to recognize properties of common planes and solids. Other than that, we are able to calculate the perimeters and areas of common planes, surface areas, and volume of common solids. Next, we should be able to calculate the circular measurements of a circle. In problem 1, we didn't fill the requirement budget, but we are not exceeding it. It is because, other than the budget, we are also focusing on the design, which is very important for most people so that they feel comfortable in their own house. This causes the budget allocated by the client to remain 14,400 ringgit. The house design produced is equipped with one empty space in case the owner wants to build another room. For the second problem, we managed to figure out how to solve the problem regarding the Ferris wheel. In a fun fact, there is one Ferris wheel that has a surface area of the Ferris wheel gondolas. The surface area is approximately 26.91 square meters. With such a wide fit can result in Ferris wheel swaying and unsafe for the wanderers to ride. At first, we wanted to make two variables, namely to calculate the surface area and also the length of the radius. But after discussing with the instructor, we were advised to make only one variable to make things easier. We chose only to solve the surface area. Lastly, we succeeded solving this problem.